Bro, we're doing a lot of stuff today, man. So we've got this car, you know, you've already seen it in the video, the Supra, Toyota Supra. Plan today is to wrap it. Metallic black, is it?
Yeah.
I think it's metallic black, yeah. So we've got some wrap over here, or we've got loads more wrap, but what we're planning to do is just wrap the whole car metallic black with a bit of carbon on it as well, just to give it that nice stealth look. So as is already done, he's already stripped the car. You can see he's taken all the lights off, he's taken all these other bits and pieces off. The car just looks naked, right? So we're going to start off with wrapping up this bonnet and then take it from there and see how it goes. It's been some time since I've last wrapped, so let's see how this video goes. Obviously it's going to be to help you guys to understand how to wrap, and you know, just to give you guys a bit of support if you do want to wrap yourself. So yeah, let's take it from here and let's see how we get on with this. What we've just done here, we've washed the car down, we've clay barred it, and now I'm just giving it a final wipe with some alcohol spray, just to remove any dirt and grease off the bonnet. We've already measured out some wrap, which we're gonna start applying onto the car. So yeah, I think we're ready to go. We're putting the wrap on. Okay, lift it up, up, and then let's go into the car. All right. So yeah, that's fine. So I'm just squidging all the air bubbles out now. Just gonna work my way outwards. So we're trying to minimize stretching as much as I can, and only gonna stretch where we need to stretch it.
And that's with the heat gun, right?
Yeah, we'll use a heat gun wherever we need to, but right now we don't need to use a heat gun anywhere.
And what's the reason that you would want to avoid using the heat gun? Because I mean, that makes it a lot easier, doesn't it?
It makes it easier, but then you're pulling on it too much, and then you're gonna basically get rid of all the shine on the wrap itself. This wrap's quite nice because any bubbles, they just come out so nice and easy. Just going through the last bit at the bottom of the bonnet, just getting all the bubbles out, minimum stretch, so you know it looks nice with a nice finish after we finish wrapping this bonnet. So any little creases we're getting, I'm just taking it off and then just reapplying the wrap back onto it.
Because that allows you to release the air out of it, right?
Yeah, and you know, you just don't want to get any bubbles or any creases in the wrap. You haven't got me the gloves yet, have you?
No.
You see this? Someone's getting me to wrap without the actual kit that I need.
Cheap labour.
Yeah, cheap labour, and then he's gonna feed me some rice and curry to keep me happy.
The sky brings your eyes out.
All right, so one side done. Let's.
A lot easier than what we tried yesterday.
Yeah, definitely.
Do you want it black?
Huh? Do I still want it? I know it's starting to look to me like a BMW. Glossy finish. I don't know, can you do the face
Can I
test?
see my face in there? I can just about see just as good as paint.
Your face looks busted, bro. What's happening over here?
I don't know, you know. I cracked your wrap.
Yeah, so
Finish.
it's not bad.
Yeah,
So real time that took what, 30 minutes?
Now we just got to tidy up all the edges and everything.
Yeah.
The only difficult bit on this bonnet while wrapping it was just the scoop. So we've managed to get any of the little bubbles in. The vent will go, so we won't be able to see any of that.